How to fix if Voicemod broke your mic. So if Voicemod broke your mic, then what you need to do is if you're using the Voicemod, then you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that hidden icons. You just need to simply remove the Voicemod or just cancel the Voicemod by going to the upper right, which will have the cross icon. And after that, you need to go with the hidden icons, which is here in the bottom right. And after that, here you will have your Voicemod. So you just need to simply right click on your Voicemod and then quit the Voicemod application. In my case, I don't have the Voicemod right here. But if you have your Voicemod, you just need to simply right click on it and then you need to exit or quit the application. Once you've exited, now you just need to simply go with your settings. And under settings, you need to go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with installed apps. And under installed apps, now here you just need to simply go and search for Voicemod. So if you have your Voicemod, you just need to simply go and search for the Voicemod. And here on the right side, you will have three dots. You just need to simply go and uninstall the Voicemod. Once you've uninstalled the Voicemod, now you just need to simply go back and then open up your Microsoft Store. And again, go and reinstall that from your Microsoft Store. Or you can do the other thing, which is open up your settings and then go with system. Under system, you need to go with sound, and under sound, you will have the microphone option, right? So, and under the input, you just need to simply go with microphone and disable the microphone option. So if you've enabled the microphone, then you just need to simply go with disable, and once you've disabled, you just need to simply restart your device, and that's it. Or that's what you can do if your Voicemod broke your mic. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.